All right, for Google Basics, I'm going to show you two options for how to join a Google Meet. So option 1 and 2. First things first, make sure your school Gmail is open. You will want to open a Google Chrome and click on your Gmail icon. I'll show you where that is in a moment. And enter your student ID at dpsk12.net and your 8-digit birthday. So for example, this is a made-up student ID number, 654321 at dpsk12.net, and a June 8th birthday, 2005, would be 06082005. Let me show you basically. If you've opened a Google Chrome, it's this little round thing here. You may have to go to your Start menu and find it as well if it's not there. So I have a tab open and I'm going to click on my Gmail. That's the easiest way to log in. Alright. Sometimes when you get there, if it is your first time logging in on a device, it may take you to another district page. But in that instance, you're just going to put your student ID, at dpsk12.net, just your student ID number and your 8-digit birthday, if it takes you to another district page. Next, you're going to go to Google Apps shortcut, aka the waffle. I'll show you there in a second. And you're going to find your Google Meet app and click on it. So here's my Google waffle next to my picture. It says Google Apps when I hover on it. And I'm going to scroll to my Google Meet, and you'll notice it just says the word Meet underneath it. And I'm going to click on that in a moment. And then I am going to click on it. This will take you to meet.google.com, and on the right-hand side, it will say Join or Start a Meeting. The code is DC21 teacher's last name. So for example, Ms. Pipel would be DC21 Pipel. That's me. So DC21 Pipel. I'm going to click on the Join or Start a Meeting, DC21 PIPAL. And I'm going to click on Continue. Which we go here. Join or Start, I've entered DC21 Pipel. Click on Join Now, and you'll join a class or will become active once a teacher has joined, so try again. So I want to show you what I mean by that. I don't have a good example because this is my account. But this one states here, no one else is here. So you could click on Join Now and take note of this information. Maybe click on Copy. Because if you need to join by phone, you can do that as well. Until your teacher joins, it'll either not let you join or you'll just be there by yourself. It won't show anybody else. So if it does say like nobody is here, I would just sign back out and wait a minute and wait till your teacher gets there. All right, and as promised, option 2, our next option. This, you're going to go through similar steps. Log into your school Gmail account. Same thing happens if you get to a district page after joining your Gmail account, entering into the Gmail page. It's just your student ID and your 8-digit birthday there. This time, you're not going to go to the app, so you're just going to type meet.google.com. And on the right-hand side, we'll see in a moment, it'll say Join or Start a Meeting. And we're going to enter the code Pipel. So here I've opened a new tab. I'm going to just simply type meet.google.com, enter, and it takes me to another join window. I can do the same thing, DC21 Pipel, and continue. And I can join. And I've already opened one, so now I'm joining myself. Actually, this is what it will look like if I'm the first person or you're the first student in the room. So make sure you join now, and you'll be in a classroom. All right. So, been active, and so thank you. That was a Google Basics How to Join a Google Meet. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you in class. Have a great day.